Hi guys, I'm Angelica and today we're gonna learn about integumentary system. So, what is integumentary system? The integumentary system is the largest organ of the body that forms a physical barrier between the external environment and the internal environment that serves to protect and maintain. The integumentary system includes skin, associated glands, hair, and nails. In addition to its barrier function, this system performs many intricate functions such as body temperature regulation, cell fluid maintenance, synthesis of vitamin D, and detection of stimuli. The various components of this system work in conjunction to carry out these functions. Counts for about 16% of your total body weight. Let's start with skin. The skin has three layers. That is the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The first is epidermis. The epidermis is the top outer layer that acts as the first line of defense against the external environment. The second is dermis, the underlying connective tissue framework that supports the epidermis. The dermis is a whole contains blood. The dermis as a whole contains blood and lymph vessels, nerves, sweat glands, hair follicles, and various other structures embedded within the connective tissue. Further subdivides into two layers. The first is the superficial papillary dermis, forms finger-like projections into the epidermis, known as dermal papillae, and consists of highly vascularized loose connective tissue. The second is the deep reticular layer, has dense connective tissue that forms a strong network. And the last is hypodermis. The hypodermis lies between the dermis and the underlying organs, commonly referred to as subcutaneous tissue, composed of loose areolar tissue and adipose tissue, provides additional cushion and insulation through its function of fat storage, and connects the skin to underlying structures such as muscles. The next is the hair. The hair is component of the integumentary system and extends downward into the dermal layer where it sits in the hair follicle. The presence of hair is a primary differentiator of mammals as a unique class of organisms. In humans, it is cherished and highly visible indicator of health, youth, and even class. It has a sensory function, protects from cold and UV radiation. Areas of clinical significance include disease of hair loss, excess, alteration, due to nutritional deficiency, infectious causes, and effects to drug reactions. So let's go to the nail. Nails form as layers of keratin and appears at the dorsal tip of the fingers and toes. Nails function to protect the fingers and toes while increasing the precision of movements and enhancing sensation. So, let's go to associated glands. There are 4 types of exocrine glands within the human body. Your human skin, the sweat, sebaceous, ceruminous, and mammary glands. Sweat glands are further divided into eccrine and apocrine glands. The eccrine glands are distributed throughout the body and primarily produce serous fluid to regulate body temperature, while apocrine glands are present in the axilla and public area and produce milky protein-rich sweat. These glands are responsible for odor as bacteria break down the secreted organic substance. Sebaceous glands are part of the pilosebaceous unit, which includes the hair fossil, and arrector pili muscle. Secretes an oily substance called sebum, a mixture of lipids that form a thin film on the skin. This layer adds a protective layer, prevents fluid loss, and also plays an antimicrobial role. So, the integumentary system provides numerous functions necessary for human life, while also maintaining an optimal internal environment for other critical components to thrive. It also acts as a reflection of underlying pathologies, showing jaundice with liver dysfunction, displaying petechia with thrombocytopenia, decreased skin turgor with dehydration. So, that's all about integumentary system. I hope that you learned something from this video. Bye-bye!